This may just be the most affordable house in the county. I'm Jason Jacques with BluAxis Realty, and welcome to 206 Knob Creek Road in Pisgah Forest, North Carolina. The 3-bedroom, 2-bath home has many updates: a new refrigerator, a new tile shower, the washer and dryer are included, and there is a large family room downstairs. It has tile and laminate flooring throughout. The house is situated in a park-like setting on a great lot with a peaceful creek. It has a large deck and a really nice carport. The quiet neighborhood has a community playground and pond and is located just 2 miles from the center of downtown Brevard. Call me today before this one slips away.